To edit your profile in Upwork, start by accessing the website in your web browser. In the upper right corner, you will find the Login or Sign Up option. Select Login to access your account. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, you can find your profile by clicking on your profile picture, also located in the upper right corner of the homepage. This will take you to the Settings section, which contains all the information related to your profile. Note that any personal information visible is fictional and was added solely for tutorial purposes. From the Settings section, you can navigate to Profile Settings or My Profile to edit your existing information. You may be prompted to set up your password security before accessing the profile settings. After completing the security setup, you can proceed to edit your profile. This process allows you to modify and update your information as needed.